So I had some fun today and I altered a box and the decoupage came out a little wrinkly, but I'm going to call that crackle effect. Remember that? Remember the crackle effect? And just a close-up of the flowers and the lace. And then the inside of the box. I can do this with my left hand. So it's the first time I altered the inside of a box. Hi everyone, I'm going to alter a box that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I will be right back with showing you steps on what I do with it. Not saying it's the best way, but that's what I do. Okay, I got this paint at Hobby Lobby. It was $4.99 and then with a coupon of 40% off. And this is my first coat. I did the inside of the top box and the outside of the lower box. Why, I do not know, but that's just what I did. And I think it's going to take 2 coats. I'll be right back. Sorry, there we go. So this one fits. I trimmed it down. And I still got to paint the inside of this box. I'm getting ahead of myself. So if I put the material here, the felt, and then put the pink material. So you got to cut it small. I know you know this, but I'll just say it anyway. Small so it fits and still looks pretty on the inside. Doesn't that look pretty? No, it doesn't. But it will. I hope. I'll be back. Okay, to glue this felt material onto the cardboard, I'm just going to snip it. So then I can fold it and that's how I do it. So it'll be nice and on there. And then I'll probably use hot glue to get it to stay on there. You know, I'm sure you guys would do it much better, but I just go along as I go along, I guess. My best scissors out, so then I cut around there. And I just eyeballed it, as you can tell. So we'll start gluing it on there. See my paint? Hi. So for the cover, I wanted to use decoupage napkin. So it took a while, but I got the back off. And now I'm just going to cut just this one image out. And that's what I did for that. So, well, the one box I'm going to use is painted white, and it's drying. I'm going to use another box just to measure my image on. And I saw this on someone else's tutorial that you're supposed to just, I suppose you could cut it, but you're supposed to just wet with water how you want to tear away the paper so it doesn't look cut. So we'll see how that goes. I gotta go back. I wanted to maybe put what do you call that? Either leave it or put a ribbon around it of the top border. I'm not sure yet. So I'll go get this wet. And try this. Whoa. I might be doing this wrong. Let me know. Because I know there's some of you out there that are really good at this. Too late now. That's just too straight across for my taste, but what are you going to do? Maybe I could add some flowers. Lower the image and just add a ton of ton of flowers right above their head. We'll see. I gotta be doing this wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this so this isn't long and boring to you. Okay, I gave this 2 coats. I don't know if you could tell. It's just a little not dry yet. But what I want to do is use Mod Podge matte finish, and I hope this is right. This is what I do. I put a coat of Mod Podge on there, then I put the image on there. Ooh, it's much better than a gray box. And then with this box, I don't know if you can tell, I put glitter on it. And then this is what I was talking about, putting a ribbon around the border. Okay. It's got ripples in there, but that's okay. Oops. I just there we go. All right, let's see what happens. I think I want it here. And if it can be crooked, I'll get it crooked. Oops. I didn't hiccup. It sounded like a hiccup. I went when I did the wrong way. And I heard some people take like a credit card and like smooth out the wrinkles, but my luck, I'll just tear the whole thing. So now I'm going to put a coat of Mod Podge over this to seal it, and I'll be back to chest drive this. And it's too small, but years ago that would have made me panic, but not anymore. just gonna try to add glue as much as I can, keep it hot. Okay, I'm gonna flop it down in there. Ooh, got paint. And hopefully, see, I'm not good at this. Okay, let's stick it. Use my muscles. And hopefully, see, it's stuck. Okay. What would have been really pretty if I would have had pearl buttons and, you know, sewn them into the material before I put it on the cardboard, and just, you know, had a certain pattern to them. But I don't, so that's okay. So see how you can see gaps, and you know, that's not good. So I got lucky, and I had this trim. It was peach when I got it. It said pink, and I didn't know that some laces come peach when they're from China, and it's peach to my eyes, but they call it pink. So anyway, I took Rit dye and I dyed it pink, so it's better than what it was. It's not, these are too dark for my taste, but it is what it is, and I'm going to use them. So I got lucky, and I had wide enough lace to use so I can cover up the gap on the bottom of the box, and my hands are in the way. But see how pretty that is? I think it's pretty. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hot glue the leaves on the side here, and I'll be right back and show you what happened. These leaves, I could glue them down, but I just don't want to, I guess. These leaves are covering up the gap where the padded bottom. So yay! It'll be all right. Little dots of glue on the little flowers. Get a whole bunch of dust bunny strings or whatever you call them. I don't think I put enough on there. Talking to myself. Well, the dog looked at me before like, Who are you talking to, Mom? Okay, I lined it up with the, as you can see, the edge here. So otherwise I'd get it all crooked. Okay, so I'm putting hot glue on every flower. And then I'm going to position it. I want the entire flower on top of the box. And the rest of it's sticking out, as you can see. But I think it'll be fine once I, yeah, still, I'm kind of still on frame. Once I put hot glue on this little flower and put it down. Okay, I'm going to continue that. But see how nicely it's covering up the image where the, not the paper mache, the napkin ended. So, I think, yay! Turned out better than I thought. This is the flowers I decided to go with. And leaves. I made this leaf a little too longer than this one, so that's bothering me, and it's bothering me that I cut her arm off. So, but I still like it.